Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect with H&R Block, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with H&R Block, start by visiting their official website at www.hrblock.com. Look for the Contact Us section, typically located at the bottom of the home page. Click on Contact Us to view various support options available. Choose between phone support, online chat, or email options based on your preference. For phone support, find the customer service number listed on the page. Call the number and follow the prompts to connect with a representative. If you prefer online chat, click on the chat icon for immediate assistance. Be prepared to provide your information to help the representative assist you more effectively. If you choose to email, fill out the contact form with your details and inquiry. Submit the form and wait for a response, which usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Additionally, you can connect with H&R Block through their social media channels for quick updates and support. Search for H&R Block on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Follow their accounts to stay informed about their services and promotions. For more personalized assistance, consider visiting a local H&R Block office directly. Use the website's office locator to find the nearest location. Schedule an appointment online or call the office directly to set up a visit. Always keep your tax documents handy for any inquiries related to your account. With these steps, connecting with H&R Block will be quick and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.